Got a Monese account but wondering how to actually get your money in there? You're in the right place. We're going to walk through all the different ways you can top up your account, from instant transfers to good old-fashioned cash deposits. First up, the most popular option, bank transfers. It's fast, free, and super easy. All you need to do is open your Monese app and go to the Add Money section. You'll see your account details there, your Monese account number and sort code, or your IBAN if you're in Europe. Just copy those details and use them to make a transfer from another bank account, whether that's your old high street bank or another digital one. The money should land in your Monese account almost instantly, or within a few hours at most, depending on your other bank. Next, let's talk about card top-ups. This is the quickest way to add money if you need it right now. In the Monese app, tap Add Money again, but this time select the option to add from a debit card. You can use a card from any bank. Simply enter your card details and the amount you want to add. The money will be in your Monese account in seconds, ready to use. This is a great feature for those moments when you need to pay for something but your Monese balance is a bit low. But what if you prefer to deal in cash? Monese has you covered there too. You can deposit cash at thousands of post office and PayPoint locations across the UK. Just open your Monese app, go to Add Money, and find the cash deposit option. The app will generate a unique barcode. Take your phone with that barcode and your cash to any participating location. The cashier will scan the barcode, take your cash, and the money will be added directly to your Monese account. It's that simple. Just check the app to find your nearest deposit location. Finally, for those of you with another Monese account, you can send money to each other instantly and for free using Monese to Monese transfers. Just go to Payments, select Monese Contact, and find the person in your contacts list. If they're a Monese user, you can send them money instantly. This is perfect for splitting a bill with a friend or sending money to family. So there you have it, bank transfers, card top-ups, cash deposits, and even Monese to Monese transfers. You've got a whole range of options to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.